Hello there, just a very quick video today. Now, as you know, in England it rains an awful lot and we're okay with that. It doesn't bother us, we're used to it. However, the moment we get any kind of heat wave, boy do we make a fuss. And right now, we're in the middle of a heat wave. So to give you some idea how hot it is, I've put a thermometer on the dashboard of my £100 Nissan Micra. So let's have a look at that. And yes, look, there we go. It is maxed out at 60 degrees Celsius, which is about 140 Fahrenheit. That's far too hot for an Englishman. I've therefore broken out my extreme heat survival equipment, including this old leather hat that I really should replace because it's looking increasingly scruffy, as Mrs. Car Spy TV keeps telling me. I also have a pair of sunglasses there in that rather snazzy blue case, and of course a metric ton of water. Now, I have literally been sitting in this car for 3 minutes, maybe 4, just long enough to film this video, and I have sweat pouring off my face, so it really is very hot indeed. Shame there's no air conditioning.